Hey guys, Glenn Murray. How are you? Today we are doing how do I say it? The top ClickBank product reviews for 2021. This is a PLR product. Now, if you don't know what a PLR product is, it's a private label rights product. It means that you get to use this product like your own. It's very, very cool. I use these all the time. This is by Arun. He's probably one of the top PLR writers out there. He writes amazing stuff. So what do you get? They're basically reviews of ClickBank products. So how you're like, well, why do I want to review? Well, you put these on your blog, you drive traffic to it, traffic finds it, and you put your affiliate link to that product in the review. It works very, 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 very well. Okay, so what are the products that you're going to get reviews of? I'll go through those. First off, let's go through my bonus page, which you're going to love. Guys, I am giving you 5 million plus PLR articles. This is my biggest PLR bundle. You're going to have access to 5 million plus 500 stock images for your blog. So you're going to get a ton. Plus, I'm going to give you Article Buddy so you can spin those 5 million PLR products and you will never need content again. Unless you want to buy brand new content, like, of course, this one is. So what is it? Sorry, guys, I had allergy attack. So the front end is 15 ClickBank products. So you're going to get the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic PDF PLR review. You're going to get Biofit PLR review. You're going to get Dentitox PLR review. Numerologist.com PLR review. Diabetes Freedom. That's a great product to promote. Resurge PLR. Smoothie Diet. Ceracare. Lean Belly 3x or 3x. Back to Life. Promind Complex PLR, Pelvic Floor Strong PLR, Revitaa Pro PLR, Custom Keto Diet PLR, and Fast Tracks PLR. Fast Tracks is another great product to promote. Now, so you get all those for $17. No brainer, guys. You also, if you get the first OTO, you get another 25 review products, and these are His Secret Obsession, Carbofix, Keravita, Soul Manifestation PLR, Master Wang Draws Your Soulmate PLR, Soulmate Sketch, Revision, Steelbite Pro, Metabofix, The Lost Book of Remedies. That's another great product to promote. Bioenergy Code, Ted's Woodworking, of course, is an amazing product to promote. Synapsis XT, Moon Reading, Alive After the Fall, Soulmate Reading, Easy Power Plan, Astro Tarot Reading, Yoga Burn, Back Pain Breakthrough, Peak Biopost, Prostastream, Midas Manifestation, Biotox Gold, and Kidney Disease Solution. So that's the first upsell, and you get those for $27. So basically you're getting 40 products for $44. Plus, if you get the last OTO, which is another 10 products for $10, is paying social media jobs. That's a killer. I've made a ton of money with that one. Sonu, Diabetes Secret, Trump's 2020 gold-plated gold coins, Truth About Abs, Renew, Fortune Reading, Try Alive, 14-day Rapid Soup Diet, Xenogut, and Unlock the Scrambler. So what do you do with these PLRs when you get them? You can make them into whatever you want, guys. You can make them into blog posts, you can make them into ebooks, you can make them into courses, you can do whatever you want with them because they're little review products, right? So you can pretty much do whatever you want. You can put it into like take pieces and make little banner ads, little clickable text ads, all sorts of stuff. So and here's my exclusive bonus, guys: 5 million PLR articles. Let's take a look at the sales page. Oh, sorry, guys. Let me go back and do that again because you just saw my face reading. Here's all that you get, guys. Sorry, it's in the morning. I'm doing this. ClickBank product reviews. So those are the products there. 27, you get these, another 25, and then you get 10 more for the OTO. And if you skip on this one, you still get offered the last 10 for $10. So it just kind of takes you through. Let's go over to, sorry about that, guys, over to the sales page. This is a sales page, pretty simple. It's a limited time offer. I think he only sells a certain amount of these products and then they go off the market. Now, remember, what you want to do with these is you always want to rewrite them, spin them, make them your own, do something with them. I use a couple things, but like I said, I'm giving you Article Buddy. You'll be able to use that. Basically, to do all this would cost you hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of dollars. And if you were to hire writers, let's say for this quality, you'd probably pay about $30 per article. So right there, you're looking at, what do you got? 10, 25, 50 or 45 articles. It'd be about $4,500. You're gonna want this, guys. Absolutely. Anyways, that is it. Look at this. You've got 1,000 words. These are the word count. They're all brand new. They're all done. So you definitely want to jump on and grab this. Oh, and there's bonuses too. Let's see. Easy affiliate list. Link list is a bonus in there. So what else are they offering here? They give a sample of the writing, which the writing is awesome. Price is going up after launch discount. They can be so you cannot claim copyright on these. You cannot resell the packs. You may not sell or give away private label rights. You cannot add to membership sites with resell and master resell rights. You cannot use my name as author. You cannot add my ClickBank reviews to your own reviews and sell them as a bundle. So you can't sell them as a bundle. You cannot add my ClickBank reviews to a review software or done for you website you create and sell my reviews as part of your software. So what you can do, it can be edited, modified, you can brand it and sold, you can put your name on as author, you can use it as an e-course or webinar material, you may use it as content on your site, blog, it can be used on article marketing sites, can be translated to other language, can use this content to create and post videos on video sharing sites, blogs. So this, another great thing, guys, I'm going to put up a review here for Agency Reel. Check that out. You could make a whole bunch of Agency Reel videos with these articles and then post them and drive traffic back to your affiliate link. So, sorry, guys. I woke up this morning and I had this horrible allergy attack. So that's why I'm like, a little bit scrambled today. Do I recommend this product? Absolutely. I love PLR. A PLR makes life so much easier. You know, you can use these and they're so versatile, and for, you know, less than, what is it, $50 or something like that, or just under $55 something, you're able to access all these products. You fill out your blog right away, just blast out your blog. Maybe you have a review blog, like, you know, best reviews 2021, just post them all up there, right? Boom. Drive traffic to it, use some of the traffic methods that we recommend. But because these are well written, if you do a little bit of SEO research, and I'm going to throw in an SEO plugin or training as well, so you learn how to SEO your blog posts as you make them. Anyways, hopefully that's helpful for you guys. Make sure you hit subscribe, thank you button, and I will see you on the next one. This has been, let me find the correct title. This has been the top 15. Oh, you get 15 at the beginning. So it's 60. Top 15 ClickBank products of 2021. So these are top 15 ClickBank products of 2021. PLR, private label rights review. And basically walkthrough tutorial on how to use it. All right, guys. Have a great day. And I'll see you on the next one. Make sure you pick it up below. Grab my 5 million PLR bonus. Bye.